So, what is experience rating for your business with respect to workers' compensation insurance? It's a good question. Let's talk about it. So, what is an experience modification factor or an XMOD for your workers' compensation insurance as a business? Basically, if you are a big enough business where you have enough payroll, basically the rate factor, you will be granted by the Work Comp Rating Bureau an experience modification factor. And essentially, it's like a report card. It is comparing not apples and oranges, it's comparing apples to apples. So if you have a restaurant, you're going to be benchmarked against other restaurants within the industry, kind of just a collective projection of what is expected for losses versus what your business actually has in losses. And it looks over a historical period of a few years, I think typically 3 years. So what you want to do is you really want to make sure that you are controlling your claims, right? Making sure you have good safety program, making sure that you're managing your operations really, really well and like a fine-tuned machine to try to prevent as many work comp losses as possible. And the reason is, just like every kid knows, you want to get an A in the class if you possibly can. Life is just a little easier when you're getting A's. More doors open for you. It's the same with your XMOD. If you have a higher than a 1.0, it means that your report card's not as good as the industry. If you actually have less than a 1.0, then you're actually doing really well. And how this all translates, it's an incentive through regulation to try to give businesses a reason to reduce claims, run safer workplaces, and just have a better overall experience as it comes to safety. So this is a very important thing as a business owner to make sure that you're managing that. And you want to work with your insurance agent, advisor, to some of the insurance companies out there provide safety programs. There are different things resources available. So it's important to talk to your independent agent advisor. And obviously here at TAG, we'd love to let the TAG team kind of take a look with you at your situation, see if we can help out. Again, there's no pressure, there's no hype, just try to give you honest help. And somewhere around this video, you'll see a link to start my review and start your review and insurance review process. So we'd love to take a look at that with you and see if we can help you on your workers' compensation. Hopefully this is helpful. Have a great one.